Welcome to this exploration of iron, one of the most abundant and essential elements on Earth. From its prime properties to its diverse applications, let's delve into the world of iron. Iron's robust physical properties make it a fundamental building block in various industries. Iron also exhibits ferromagnetism, making it a crucial component in the production of magnets used in various applications, such as electric motors, generators, etc. The manufacturing of iron involves extracting iron ore from mines, a process that requires precision and efficiency. The extracted iron ore undergoes smelting and refining processes, transforming it into the pure and resilient metal we know. Steelmaking is indeed the most prevalent application of iron. Iron undergoes transformation into steel using diverse techniques like basic oxygen furnaces or electric arc furnaces. These steel products serve as the backbone of modern infrastructure, used in construction, machinery, automotive manufacturing, and countless other applications. For instance, from construction materials to machinery, and even in our household items, iron is the backbone of modern infrastructure. Its magnetic properties also make it a key component in electrical appliances and technology. Stanford Advanced Materials is a leading player in the materials science industry. With a commitment to excellence, Stanford Advanced Materials provides high-quality iron and a wide array of advanced materials. Please explore the possibilities with Stanford Advanced Materials at www.samaterials.com.